Welcome to the future of website creation with WordPress AI, where building a website is as easy as a few clicks. Imagine building a website in mere seconds with the power of AI. WordPress AI allows you to prompt, edit, and launch your site effortlessly, saving you hours of work. Dive into the extensive features and resources WordPress offers, designed to enhance your website building experience. Select a plan that fits your needs, whether it's personal, premium, business, or enterprise, and unlock a powerful suite of features. Log into your WordPress account to begin your journey of creating a stunning website with AI. Creating your account is simple and quick, with multiple sign-up options to get you started right away. Design a website that reflects your unique style and vision. WordPress AI helps you create a site that stands out. Provide a brief description of your site to personalize it with AI, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your brand or purpose. Let AI customize your site with the essence of your brand, making it a perfect fit for your business or personal project. Enhance your site's customization by adding detailed descriptions, allowing AI to tailor the experience to your specific needs. Discover various tutorial subscription plans that offer basic to standard options, helping you learn and grow your skills. Welcome to your ultimate destination for skill building, where video tutorials guide you through every step of your learning journey. Need assistance? Use the live chat feature to get immediate help and answers to your questions as you build your site. Explore a comprehensive library of video tutorials designed to help you master any subject and enhance your skills. Select the perfect domain for your website, ensuring it represents your brand and is easy for your audience to find. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.